I see a lot of producers who say they want placements in TV and film, produce music for TV, film, media, video games, whatever. But they give up way too soon. And I want to talk about why and how you can avoid giving up too soon and how to push through during those times where you want to give up. Trust me, I've been there. So you probably feel stuck because you've been creating for months, maybe even years, and you don't see tangible results. And especially in sync, it's tricky because you could literally be in the process of making progress but not see it like 3 to 6 months later. You know what I mean? You could be sitting on placements. Like, I know producers who were like sitting on placements and didn't even know, just because publishers are usually too busy. This girl got her baby out and it's raining. She didn't even put the baby's just getting rained on right now. Like, what? Wow. But I've seen producers like literally sit on placements, but because publishers are too busy to say, hey, you got a placement, and because if it was like a back end only situation, royalties usually don't roll around to like 2-3 quarters later. So you don't know until you get your royalty statement. So you don't see the tangible results. You're like, yo, this isn't working. Like, and then you stop. You may be dealing with self-doubt to where you're just like, yo, I don't even know if my music is good enough. Because in a lot of cases, it's hard to get feedback specifically from people who have seen success and who get placements actively. It's just not like a ton of places to get critiques on your music specifically for sync. Because there's just certain things that editors are looking for that somebody who's just creating music for artists may not realize or pick up on because they're just not in that space. Some producers give up just because there's just a lack of clarity. Like, they don't know which steps to take. Like, most producers don't even know how to start. Like, I don't even know the first place to begin to start getting TV placements. So that just keeps you spinning your wheels. There's tons of information online, but again, if you don't have like actionable steps, well, what's the first step? I have all this information. I have YouTube, I have Google, but like, what's the first thing I do out of all of this information that I've gathered from the internet? So you just stay in like analysis paralysis. You just end up not doing anything because you don't know what to do first, and there's no clear path to success. There's no clear path to first sync publishing deal. There's no clear path to first TV placement, right? So, the frustration of just putting in countless hours, not getting placements, you feel like you're wasting your time, so you just quit, just give up. Or you may be at a point where you're watching other producers who may have started around the same time as you. Now they're getting placements. Placements are just flowing in. You're like, yo, like, their production is dope, but I also know my production is dope too. Like, why aren't the placements kicking on for me? Like, and I'll be honest with you. When I first started my journey in trying to get placements, like over a decade ago, I was sharing my journey. I was like sharing the steps that I was taking to get placements, what I was doing every day, what, like, my 60-day licensing plan, like all of this stuff. Like, I was just sharing it and documenting it. And before I even had my first placement, there were producers who were following me and like following the steps that I was sharing, and then they started getting placements before me. Now, that encouraged me personally. Some producers, it would discourage them, but I'm like, yo, this is getting me amped up, because if I'm seeing other producers take these same steps and get results, I know it's only a matter of time before these placements start kicking in for me. So I was excited, I was motivated, I was like, yo, let's go. But some producers, they're like, yo, I guess it's working for them, it's not working for me. They just give up. Would not recommend that. So you have that watching other people succeed, and you just feel disheartened because it's not happening for you as quick as you would like. The issue is like without the proper guidance, without mentorship, without a system to follow, it's easy to burn out and just walk away and just be like, you know what, maybe sync isn't for me. You use the excuse, oh, well, sync isn't for everybody. Like that, in my opinion, that's a cop-out. Like, sync can be for anybody if you want it to work for you. It's just like, it's like with anything. Like, I could say, playing acoustic guitar is not for me because it's a challenge for me to take these fingers and turn them into chords on the guitar. Listen, I chose not to learn how to play the guitar. That's on me. I can't say, well, guitar isn't for me. No, it could be. If I put the work in, put the practice in, the same amount of hours that I put in learning keys, how to play chords on the piano, I could learn how to play the guitar. That's on me. That's a decision I made. That's not sync licensing, or that's not the guitar saying, oh, I'm not for you, Clint. I'm not, you're not able to learn how to play me. That's crazy. Sync can be for anybody. You just have to ask yourself, are you willing to put in the work that it requires to be successful in sync? You may have to adjust the style of music you make. You may have to work on your production skills. You may have to work on your mixing skills. You may have to work on learning how to properly structure music that's optimized for TV, film, commercials, ads, video games, whatever. That's on you. Are you willing to put in the work? If you don't want to put in the work, just say, hey, I don't want to put in the work. I don't want to pursue sync. And that's fine. But you got to be honest with yourself. You can't, sync is not for me as a cop-out. Like, no, you just don't want to do it. Just say you don't want to do it. So there's that, you don't have a proven system, so it's challenging. The key to breaking into this space, I don't like to say breaking into, but the key to being successful in sync or in anything is, first off, like finding some type of mentorship. If it's on YouTube, find you a handful of people who are actively getting placements that can guide you. That's what this channel is for, to help guide you, give you tips, tricks, whatever, actionable steps. But find you some people who are doing what you want to do and take on their mindset, take on their approaches, modify to fit what you're trying to do, whatever your goals are, and seek advice and help. Because 9 times out of 10, they probably made a bunch of mistakes already that you can avoid by just getting straight to the stuff that works. And so you can understand the right strategies on how to produce, prepare, and pitch placement-ready music for TV. Second, you got to be consistent. You got to put in consistent effort. Right? Without consistency, man, like, again, quitting isn't consistent unless you're a consistent quitter. Like, you have to consistently put tracks out there and not know if they're working yet. You know what I mean? Consistency could be for months. Consistency could be for years. Consistency could be just keep doing it, don't stop. I mean, I've seen producers actually get sync publishing deals and then just like stop submitting music. I'm like, yo, you already did the hardest part, which is getting the deal. All you gotta do now is just create the music, and it's a numbers game. Put some numbers up. That's like making it to the NBA, getting drafted to a team, and then you got through like the hardest part, but then you just choose to not take any shots, not get any points. Like, why? Like, you're already there. Why not put 110% into becoming the best that you can be and take as many shots as you can to give yourself the best chance of being MVP, whatever, like whatever the goal is. Same approach, you got to be consistent. And you got to be willing to learn new things from people who are doing what you want to do. So that's why I post the information I post on here. That's why I created my Sync Producer Hub community, to surround producers around, not only producers who are on the same journey as them, producers who are trying to get publishing deals, trying to get TV sync placements, but also producers who have gotten placements, producers who are getting placements, who have gone through the journey and can give you tips and help you along the way to prevent you from giving up too soon. That's how you push through. You push through by surrounding yourself around people who understand what it takes to get to where you're trying to go. Surrounding yourself around people who aren't going to discourage you and try and talk you out of reaching your goals. People are going to hold you accountable. Like, yo, you got to put in the work. People are going to be honest with you. Like, yo, this isn't there yet, but this is how you get your music where it needs to be. That's why I created Sync Producer Hub. There's a link in the description for you to check it out. We're sharing wins, we're sharing strategies, we're sharing resources. One producer in there, shout out to my guy Kartik, shared that he recently got a Gatorade ad placement, which is huge, man. So like when you see that, like that motivates everybody else in the community, and we're like, yo, let's go. Like, this is possible, we can do it. And none of us are like special or above anybody else. Like, we're all like on the same journey. We're all perfecting our craft and trying to get these placements. So hit the link in the description, join Sync Producer Hub, and stop doing the same thing, trying to get different results. Like, if you've been on Google and YouTube and trying to figure out how to get in the sync and you still ain't got a deal or a placement, you gotta do something different, fam, because the old stuff ain't working. You got to do something different. You got to get around people who can see what you can't see, so you can get where you're trying to go. All right, I'm out. Peace.